been working for 69 years and I still haven't got the world record. What should I do? I'ma just watch this thing. Do you suck at parkour? Are you as bad as this guy?
Bruh.
And let me guess, wala kang jowa. Well, that was unexpected. Since you have came from the right place, I am going to teach you how to be pro.
Nope.
You wanna be pro, huh? You wanna be
Nope.
pro?
Nope.
Wanna be pro at this?
Nope.
Okay, the first thing you're gonna do to be pro is to go at crowded people. Wait, why is it fast? Hey. Good job! You're nearly there! The next thing to do is to dress up like a noob so you can be good. And next thing you're going to do is to jump while walking. It's very simple.
Bruh.
And let me guess, you can't flick. But
Bruh.
I'm here to show you how to flick.
No,
So
I don't
first
want
thing
to.
you're gonna do is to slide up your
Oh, wait. Oh my god, what the hell? Oh my gosh, what is
device,
this?
even though you're on computer.
Yeah!
Yeah, very good. See this guy over here? What are you gonna say? Hi! Yeah.
Bruh.
Hello. So, how are you feeling?
Bruh.
Yeah, he's feeling good.
Bruh.
Yes, go. And the last thing you're going to do is to speed run and deal with it when you fail. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bruh.
Subscribe.
Bruh.
Okay,
Bruh.
I think he just
Bruh.
took a stroke because he
Bruh.
should just follow
Bruh.
him. But never mind
Bruh.
that, just
Bruh.
subscribe it.
Bruh.
Oh, okay. I think I can this work. At least it can be work next time. Okay, I'm just gonna practice.
Eyes blue or brown, can't remember. Eyes